Now, I have a nice little fire going here. And I'm going to take a tube full of another element. Now, I'll hold this above you. This yellow element, anybody know a yellow element? This is called sulfur. Sulfur is a very common pure element. And I have a little bit of this sulfur in a test tube. I figure I'd put it in a big beaker so you could see it's nice, powdery yellow. What are those? Are those things like powder and solid? What do we call those words that describe something? We call them their properties. Wow, you guys are good. Okay, I am going to heat up this solid yellow element, and it's much like the solid element I heated up over there. While I'm doing this, I want you to think to yourself, does this sulfur act the same way as the iodine, or does it act differently? Now, I want to do this safely, so I'm going to take a test tube holder, and I'm going to hold the test tube, and I'm going to start passing it through the flame and heating that sulfur up. Now, what do you think might happen as I heat the sulfur?
It's turning color. It's going to change color.
It's going to change a little. How do you think it's going to change?
It turned into red. I see it. It's
Okay.
going to turn into liquid.
And it is indeed turning into liquid, and it's a little bit of a different color.
I think the glass one is that's what we.
Now I'm going to take this liquid sulfur, it's kind of a reddish liquid, and I'm going to dump it into this big beaker full of water. So in 1, 2, 3, oops, it solidified on me while I'm talking. So here we go. Now you might smell a little strange rotten eggy odor. That is a sulfur oxide gas. Let's try that one more time. And I have a few little beads of it, so well, that's okay. Do not reach in and touch that. That is quite hot. And I am going to pull out for you some little beads of sulfur. Actually, we're just going to set it on the table.